Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 3rd, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. And we're on the daily time frame to start with because the pound dollar did definitely break down pretty hard yesterday. Now, if this really is a wave 5, which it definitely could be, then it will go down and take out these lows also eventually. But we don't really know for sure that it's a wave 5, do we? Especially with the fact that the monthly and the weekly are definitely still in an uptrend. So if your higher time frames are in an uptrend and your daily broke down, then you kind of need to assume that this breakdown could just be a pullback to the last impulsive move up. We could possibly just be doing something like this and just continue the higher time frame uptrend. So keeping all this in mind, going down to the 1 hour time frame, I do think there's a good chance we could get another short. It is NFP today, so non-farm payroll is a pretty big news event. If you see any kind of a three-wave pullback to any one of these fib levels and a nice engulfing move to the downside, then you definitely could take it as a short. Just keep in mind that at some point it could reverse back to the upside because the very high time frames are definitely still up. So we are going to look at this move up right here as possibly being a pullback to this last wave down. So keep an eye on your Fibonacci retracement levels for one, two, three waves up and golfing down for a possible entry to go short. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.